Hello everyone, welcome back to Hyperlearning. In today's video, we're going to explore some incredibly useful keyboard shortcuts in Windows 11 that can help you navigate your operating system more efficiently. Whether you're a power user or just looking to save some time, these shortcuts will make your life easier. So, let's dive right in. First of all, let's talk about the Windows key, also known as the Windows logo key. This key is your gateway to many useful shortcuts in Windows 11. Simply pressing the Windows key on your keyboard will open the Start menu, where you can access all your apps and settings. Pressing the Windows key plus D will minimize or restore all open windows, giving you quick access to your desktop. And if you want to lock your computer when you step away, just press Windows key plus L to secure your system. To open or switch between apps on your taskbar, you can use the Windows key combined with the number key corresponding to the app's position. For those of you who like to organize your work, Windows 11 offers virtual desktops. Use Windows key plus tab to see all your open desktops and switch between them. To create a new virtual desktop, press Windows key plus Control plus D, and to navigate between them, use Windows key plus Control plus right-left arrow. To make the most of your screen area, you can use snap layouts. Press Windows key plus, up, down, left or right arrow to snap windows to different corners of your screen. Windows 11 now offers a clipboard history feature. Press Windows key plus V to access your clipboard history and easily paste previous items. To capture a screenshot or a portion of your screen, press Windows key plus Shift plus S and select the area you want to capture. And there you have it, some of the most helpful keyboard shortcuts in Windows 11. These shortcuts can significantly improve your productivity and make your Windows experience even more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.